Hey yo, I'm just doing the head of this window now. Don't use glue, people. I tried to think of the word before, polyurethane. That's my sausage used up. I've got another one somewhere, but I've got a bit of silicone that I need to use up. Because it doesn't last forever. In the tube. It goes off. So don't have it hanging around in your shed or in your vehicle for any length of time. Chuck it out. Slap it on up. You didn't see that, me wipe it on my shirt. Rubber hammer. Oh, beautiful. Line it up. Yep. Where are my clips? When you put clips up, it helps to hold it all together. And yes, I have had it fall down in the past. But this time it's not going to, I hope. But what I might do, just to safeguard myself, where's my tape? Or I cut and that's not silly either. Because I have had it fall in the past. Don't you worry about that. I think we might be right with the tape though. Not bad tape this. hold it all in place for half an hour or so. That's all you need, or an hour. Always feeling your miters. People. Ooh. Went to market. Uh-oh. I've got to do a little bit of a check out. That's when it gets a little bit messy. And that one too. Anyway, I'll get this one done first.